Are you a beginner and don't know where to start your yoga journey?
Standing yoga poses are beneficial for lower body stability and toning lower body muscles. Practice these 3 asanas every day to retain your body balance and stability. Trikonasana. Stand in Tadasana. Take the right foot back. Inhale and stretch the hands in line with the legs. Make sure your left foot is at 90 degrees and right foot at 45 degrees. Exhale, bend towards the left side. Place the left palm beside the left foot. Right hand pointing upward and look at the right palm. Keep breathing while holding the pose. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax the hands and bring the legs together. Repeat on the other side. Benefits of this asana. This pose strengthens your legs, knees and ankles, opens up the chest and shoulders, strengthens the hips, groin, hamstrings, calves and spine, strengthens pelvic area and tones reproductive system. It provides stamina, balance and develops focus. Contraindications of this asana. Avoid this asana if you have migraine, diarrhea, high blood pressure and severe back pain. Parshvakonasana. Stand in Tadasana, right leg far back, left foot at 90 degrees and right foot at 45 degrees. Inhale, raise the hands straight in line with the legs, parallel to the floor, palms facing down. While exhaling, bend the left knee and thigh should be parallel to the ground. Place the left palm beside the left foot. Place the right arm over the right ear and look up. Hand, torso and the extended leg should be in one line. Hold this posture for as long as you can. Slowly rise up. Drop the hand and come to Tadasana. Repeat on the other side. Benefits of this asana. Strengthens and stretches the legs, ankles and knees. Stretches the groin, spine, waist, chest and shoulders. Improves digestion. Contraindications of this asana. People with severe headaches, insomnia and severe knee injury should avoid this asana. Ardha Chandrasana. Stand in Tadasana. Right foot one step back. Inhale. Stretch the hands in line with the legs. While exhaling, bend to the left side, left palm on the mat and away from the left foot. Lift the right leg. Right hand pointing to the ceiling. Look at the right palm. Keep breathing while holding this pose. Relax and drop the leg. Release the hands and come back to Tadasana. Repeat on the other side. Benefits of this asana. Increases focus and concentration. It builds strength in the ankles, calf muscles, thighs, abdomen and lower back. It also stretches the shoulders, chest, torso, spine, groins and hamstrings. It also boosts stamina. Contraindications of this asana. People with back injuries and sciatica must avoid this practice. Do not practice this asana if you have any foot or ankle injury.